Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sports Dom coming back with another video. And I'm going to open a package that I ordered about a week or so ago. I had a $25 or $50 Best Buy gift card. So me and my wife each ordered a record album. And here it is. Chris Stapleton, Traveler. It's a great album. I like the album. The first song is the title to the album, Traveler. The second song is Fire Away, Chris Stapleton with Danny Green. That's also a good song. Tennessee Whiskey, number 3 with Dean Dillon and Linda Hargrove. I like that song. And song 4 is Parachute with Chris Stapleton and Jim Beavers. This is a double album, by the way. Side B was Whiskey and You with Chris Stapleton and Lee Thomas Miller. The second song on side 2 is Nobody to Blame, Chris Stapleton, Barry Bales, and Ronnie Bowman. 3, More of You, Chris Stapleton and Ronnie Bowman. 4, When the Stars Come Out, Chris Stapleton and Dan Wilson. On the second album, side C, Daddy Doesn't Pray Anymore, Chris Stapleton. Might As Well Get Stoned, that's a good song. A good song. I played that for my wife the other night. Chris Stapleton and Jimmy Stewart. And then song 3, Was It 26, Don Sampson. So there's only 3 songs on that side. And then side D, also only 3 songs. The Devil Named Music by Chris Stapleton. Song 2, Outlaw State of Mind, Chris Stapleton, Bonnie Bowman, and Jerry Sully. And song 3, Sometimes I Cry, Chris Stapleton and Clint Ingersoll. Guys, if you happen to come across this, get your hands on this album, whether it be CD, record album like I got, or cassette tape. I also have a cassette player in my record player. I have a CD player in my record player. So I can't wait to listen to this. I can't wait to play this record album. Guys, this is a good album. YouTube Chris Stapleton. YouTube this album. Listen to it. It's a good album. You should purchase it. Comment in the comment section below on what you think. And as always, if you like my videos, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video. This is Sports Dom. Peace! And go Bills. By the way, the schedule is coming out in just a few seconds, and I'm going to go watch that. So, go Bills. Chris Stapleton, my new record album.